Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to measure the actual GoPro screen size in inch. Okay, to measure the actual screen size, you can now measuring from the corner to the corner of your screen. So on the back screen you can measure it about 2.20 and nearly 30. I think it's about 2.25 or 26 inch, and on the front screen it's about 1.4. You can see here 1.4 screen 1.4 screen inside. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the actual measuring screen size on the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.